pal Fernbark. I'm out here in the park again with Mark from Carbs Outdoors, and we are both risking almost certain discomfort because it's 46 degrees and extraordinarily damp. So we are out here just for your pleasure. Hope you appreciate it.
So I'm using Google Translate to for the picture. Come on. So we have the beef stew right there. We're gonna get that going. The Russian tea. We got the big ass sugar packet. Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm going to be finishing that Russian MRE that I started the other day and going to give it a test. I got the stew already going and starting to bubble, so get the camera turned around, get tea on the brew and get to it. Alright, so the other day yesterday actually, I picked up a new spork. This one is stainless steel because I lost my titanium somewhere. It's only $3, so I figured I'd go for it. Spilled all over the place. That's actually kind of interesting. And I made a big mess. Jeez. It should give you a lot of sugar. I should have weighed one of these. In fact, I can still do that. Got my little scale here. 0, 0, come on. 7.7 ounces of sugar that they give you in one packet. It's crazy. I'm only going to use about a third. Alright. Yeah, it's got some serious bubbling action going. Basically waiting for all the fat to melt. It's really fatty. Made a big mess too. Spilled all over the table. Alright, give the tea a try. Pretty sure it's going to be good. Oh yeah. A little hot though because I didn't check the canteen sooner and it was already at a rapid boil, so. Good stuff.
Alright, while I wait for my fire to get going here, I'm going to go ahead and tell you what I'm making today. By the way, if you can't see the top of my head, do not be alarmed. I just put on a camouflage hat because it's raining and I need a little more protection about my face. So, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to try to recreate the kasha that Mark and I had out of his Russian, I was going to say MRE, but it's combat ration. So anyhow, let's see how that goes.
I think it's probably already hot. That was quick. Yeah, it's hot enough to eat. So, What a freaking mess I made, though. Holy crap. Alrighty.
Pretty cool.
Let's taste the meat. It kind of looks like a pot roast. It's actually not bad. It's not bad at all. It needs something else though. Maybe the two were supposed to be mixed together?
Are you fucking shitting me?
Huh. Alright, so here's another close-up of the meat. So it tastes just like pot roast. But this spongy part here is the it's just fat. So kind of an interesting meal. I mean, it doesn't taste bad. It actually tastes pretty good, but I think it needs something else to go with it. Like maybe if I poured it over rice or something. Alright, so here comes the next part. What I'm not looking forward to is the eggplant, caviar of eggplant.
That shit sucks.
Yeah, I've heard that. So, it kind of looks like pumpkin puree. It doesn't smell like it though, but I don't think I've ever actually eaten eggplant before. So here we go.
How awesome is that?
This is a really peculiar taste. Not like a terrible taste. Oh, it's really hard to put into words what that tastes like.
I thought it was awful.
Actually, I think the stew tasted worse than this.
Really? Oh.
Yeah. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, I don't like it. Yeah, I don't like that. It must be eggplant must be an acquired taste because I did not enjoy that. Caviar of the eggplant, huh? Alright, well. Glad I had tea to wash it down. Oh. How about the the plum? Alrighty, let's get the translator in action here. This is, it says fat stick. The top check. Okay, so fruit stick. Prunes with something. Okay. Alright, so here's the fruit. Prunes with, so here's what she looks like. It tastes okay.
It's just like a regular fruit bar. It's not anything.
Yeah. That's not bad.
Holy shit! What?
It doesn't actually, I don't see an indicator on here where it says what the, are you supposed to use warm water for this?
What?
Are you supposed to use warm water for this?
It probably makes it dissolve quicker, but it won't taste as good.
Well, how about a little experiment? We'll do a little bit in here and then we'll do a little bit in the canteen and see if it, another stubborn package. Good thing I have a knife. Oh wow. Dang, I'm just making all kinds of mess today. Jeez. You guys over there shaking your heads like, man, what is this guy doing? Okay, so it's not the whole package, but at least I have a gauge of what it tastes like. Really weak. Wow, needed more in there. And that was like, I couldn't even taste the beverage mix. So, it's really hard to get in there because it's all in chunks.
There we go.
Wow, even crushing it up is like this. Gum. I see why warm water probably would have been better. It would have dissolved a lot better, I think. Yeah, I can barely even taste it. Alright. I don't really need to boil this, I just want to get it warm so it dissolves fully. It actually seems like it's kind of already done that. Alright. I don't really need to boil this, I just want to get it warm so it dissolves fully. It actually seems like it's kind of already done that. Alright, so I threw it in the water, warmed it up just slightly, give it a taste. I might use my mug just so I don't cook my lips. I think it's sort of a, I think it's supposed to be like a lemon lime. It's actually not bad warmed up. I would drink this again. Pretty tasty, actually. I tried the Google Translate on the package, but I think because it's so shiny, it wasn't, the photo wasn't working too well. So, oh well. It's not bad though. Okay, so final thoughts. If you pick one of these up, the crackers are most likely going to be stale, which is disappointing. You will get a lot of sugar. Like how many? I think I had 3 of these sugars. No, that's the one I opened. Oh yeah, and then there's another one in here. So 3 sugars at 6 ounces. The matches, which I'm going to keep. I'm actually going to keep the little stove too, because I actually thought that was pretty cool. I'll just keep using it until the legs snap off. Even though Esbet and I are not kindred spirits, clearly. You get these wet and dry wet naps. Still have a tea left, a couple napkins. I don't know, whatever this was. Oh, the coffee. I forgot the coffee. Well, maybe I'll drink the coffee some other time. The bar wasn't too bad. Okay, so the kashi, the porridge beef, was really good, but I don't know if it's good enough to buy a whole MRE just for that one component. With the crackers being stale and the other parts, I mean, tea you can get anywhere, coffee you can get anywhere. I mean, the little stove kit was neat. If you can find one individually, I would go for that if you wanted the stove, just because of how small and lightweight it is, even though it's got fat stuck to it. Kind of neat. Even though Esbet and I don't get along, clearly. But the sugar, I still have a lot left. But I think overall it's pretty interesting. This last stew was good, but it had a lot of fat. And I think it, like I was telling Fernbark, I think what I would have done is I would have got some boiling bag rice, cooked up the rice, and just poured that over the top. I think it would have been a lot better. No salt in the rice at all, because there's a lot of salt in the meal, so it heated up really quick. It did taste good, just fatty, so I think it needed something else with it to cut the fat down. Potatoes have been good, rice, I would have gone with rice though. Alright, so as always, thanks for watching, I'll catch you in the next one.